Welcome back to Machine Era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning.
He doesn't just harvest wood, he reads it. Every log holds a tale of storms survived, years endured, and secrets whispered in bark. To him, the forest deals its wild cards, one tree at a time. No helmet, no gloves, no harness, only a ripped tank top and blind courage. It's madness. And yet, somehow, he walks away without a scratch.
Oh. Whoops.
You all right?
The storm rips through, and the roots surrender. Giant stumps lie broken, waiting. This is not a job for the faint of heart, only for the men who know how to tame what nature uproots. Branches trimmed, these two machines grow closer. One grabs, one grinds. Different roles, same mission. Like best friends, they work as one. stubborn Stump? We've all wrestled with one. But this isn't your average backyard battle. This beast comes armed with tungsten-tipped blades, and mercy isn't in its vocabulary. It doesn't just grind, it erases. Your back will thank you. Your yard already does. Saw, ladder. One slip, and it's a trip to the ER. That's not precision, that's a gamble. The pros? They don't play games. 3 minutes, controlled fall, 0 damage. This is what mastery looks like. Just a saw and a jack. That's all it took. In the hands of a skilled logger, this massive tree came down, clean, controlled, effortless. Companions. They're partners in the woods. These horses pull more than timber. They carry history, trust, and tradition. From deep in the forest, they help bring the harvest home. They're not just companions. They're partners in the woods. These horses pull more than timber. They carry history, trust, and tradition. From deep in the forest, they help bring the harvest home. Steel 462 roars. He handles it like second nature. One perfect notch, one clean back cut. The tree falls exactly where it should. Skill, power, precision. The 260 MLC isn't just a machine, it's an investment that pays off in every acre. Stumps, gone, brush, cleared. In its path, only clean ground remains, ready for the next generation of trees. This is how forests are reborn. You've battled stumps, snapped tools, and burned time. Now, meet the game changer. Moorbark Talon, crushing logs up to 40 inches without breaking a sweat. Fast, brutal, precise. Let the jaws do the hard part. Ground, heavy loads. No problem. The Timberjack 810B is built for it all. It hauls timber through terrain most machines wouldn't dare. Lifting, loading, moving mountains, one log at a time. Need firewood without the fight? This 2,600-watt electric log saw is your answer. No fuel, no hassle, just pure cutting power, with a carbide blade built to slice through logs like butter. Firewood prep has never been this easy. Left you in awe, drop us a comment below. Your support fuels the fire behind our creativity. This is the Volvo Chipmax 484, not just a wood chipper, but the apex predator of tree crushers. It doesn't chew, it devours. Whole trunks vanish in seconds. When it moves, the forest listens. This isn't just a woodcutter. It's a high-performance processing unit. The GSW30DZW3 PTU-RBO brings raw power and hydraulic finesse, handling massive logs with 31.4 tons of force. mobile frame, custom options. If your job's serious, this is your tool.
Please share your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.